Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, in this video we are going to be looking at an important tool that you can consider having in your trading arsenal. Okay, because normally indicators are lagging tools, right? And some indicators out there do repaint. For example, they kind of change their past movement, making them even more unreliable because how they display in current market condition might be different from how they display in historic market condition. And that's what we call repainting, a situation whereby an indicator has shown a particular move and then it somehow adjusts once price moves forward. So it changes the way it displays, making them unreliable because they'll now look as if they can effectively identify good trading opportunities, whereas in live market conditions they might not be as effective as they show themselves to be in historical price conditions. All right, so now we just want to look for, or we want to analyze, or we want to talk about one of the best non-repaint indicators. So stay tuned as we look into one of the best repaint indicators. Okay, so just for clarity, repainting in trading refers to the trading platform indicator. Just for extra clarity, in case I didn't explain it properly, it's a situation whereby the indicator changes their display on the chart, or its display on the chart, as new price data comes in. So a repainting indicator is an indicator that changes its past analysis on the arrival of new data. Okay, so as the price is moving forward, you will notice that the past display of the indicator begins to align with price movements of the past. In that case, such indicators are unreliable because they repaint. That's why we call it repaint. If, for example, the indicator is a support or resistance indicator, and maybe in current market condition, it was showing like this, maybe it's a support or resistance indicator. Then once market has moved forward, the indicator might adjust to become like this, making it look more accurate in identifying support levels. Whereas when the market price was around here, the indicator was not exactly in that position. So it is such indicators that we call repainting indicators. Okay, they are very unreliable type of indicators. Okay, now without further ado, having given a background as to what repainting indicators are, just in case you are not familiar with what repainting indicators are, that's the reason why I had to give that background explanation. Okay, we are going to be looking at a non-repaint indicator right now. So what exactly is a non-repaint indicator? Simply put, a non-repaint indicator is a type of trading indicator that maintains its signal once it appears on the chart. All right, it doesn't change or repaint after the fact, which is crucial for traders who rely on precise signals to enter or exit trades. Many indicators repaint, meaning they adjust their signals based on new data. That can be misleading because what initially looks like a great entry or exit point may suddenly change, leaving you frustrated or even in a losing position. However, with non-repaint indicators, the signals stay put, which allows you to react confidently and execute your trades without the fear of the indicator shifting. Now, let us look at some examples. A popular non-repaint indicator might show an arrow or a color change at a particular price level. All right. Once the signal appears, it doesn't move, even if the market fluctuates. Now, this characteristic is invaluable because it means you can access the market conditions in real time and make your decisions with more confidence. Why should you consider using non-repaint indicators? For one, they give you clarity. Since the signals are consistent, they let you analyze market trends and act based on information you can trust. Non-repaint indicators are particularly useful for spotting trends, reversals, and entry points. Okay, now there are a variety of non-repaint indicators available, each suited for different trading styles. For instance, trend-based non-repaint indicators might show you the market's direction, while oscillators can reveal momentum and help you catch the tops and bottoms. So here are a few of the non-repainting indicators commonly used by traders. Okay, one is the super trend indicator. All right, this tool is widely used to identify trend direction. Once it signals a change, it holds it remains, all right, giving traders confidence in their entries without constantly checking if the trend is shifting. So if you want to check it out, you might have to download the indicator from a reputable source, all right, because some platforms might not offer the indicator like readily available. So the super trend indicator is the first in our list, and then next up is the buy sell signals indicator. All right, the buy sell signals indicator. This indicator uses arrows to mark potential buy or sell points. Because these signals don't change, you can set up a solid entry strategy that remains reliable in both uptrends and downtrends. And then next up is the Heikin Ashi smooth indicator. All right, the Heikin Ashi smooth indicator. Now, this variation on Heikin Ashi charts smooths out price action without repainting, helping traders see more stable trends and stay in trades longer. All right. So now that we know what these indicators are and we have understood what non-repaint means, let us talk about how to use non-repaint indicators in your strategy. It's important to remember that while these indicators give good signals, they should be used as part of a broader trading strategy. Try combining non-repaint indicators with other technical analysis tools like supports and resistance. You can also add on moving averages or candlestick patterns to verify signals. For example, if you are using the super trend indicator to spot an uptrend, you can check if other tools align with the signal. If you're getting confirmations from multiple sources, you can feel more assured in your decision. If you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We are always sharing insights and tools to help you level up your trading game, and your support helps us keep bringing you valuable content. One thing to keep in mind is that non-repaint indicators are not foolproof, okay? While they eliminate the risk of shifting signals, they aren't necessarily more accurate than other indicators. Be cautious not to over-rely on any single indicator, non-repainting or not. It's always best to test these indicators on a demo account first to see how they perform under different market conditions, all right? When selecting a non-repaint indicator, think about your trading style and the market you trade. For example, if you prefer short-term scalping, look for indicators that give frequent, precise signals. If you are a swing trader, you might prefer indicators that focus on overall trend direction. Testing a few different indicators can help you find the one that best suits your needs, all right? And there you have it. Non-repaint indicators can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit, especially if you want good signals you can trust. Remember, they are best used with other tools and strategies to build a well-rounded approach. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which indicators you find most helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.